when everybody out there was telling you that Nifty and Bank Nifty was looking absolutely bullish for Monday, I was the one who told you, wait, there is still more time. Don't look for long side trades on Monday. That is exactly what we discussed the previous day, and that is the power of data engineering. Welcome back to my channel Nifty Forecast, and my name is Lokesh. Here we talk only about data engineering. We don't talk global cues, we don't talk indicators as such. Right. So we discussed that the market would definitely not go high on the previous day. I mean, last Friday we discussed about a trade plan on 20th, and that is when we discussed exactly that shorts are added for the intraday or a short term 1 to 3 days, and that is exactly what has happened, and we are seeing Bank Nifty and Nifty charts on the screen. Right, so you are able to relate to it, right? I hope you all are with me on this. Please give me a thumbs up in case you are liking the content. It gives immense motivation for me, who is slowly steadily gaining some views. Thank you each one of you to look at my video, supporting it, subscribing to it. Right. So we predicted well in advance that there will definitely be a slip in the market, because the major market participants were trading on the short side for a very short span. Again, I am not telling you that markets are bearish. I would want you to understand the demarcation or thin line of difference when we are talking about short term and long term. For us in this particular channel and in this particular series of discussions, post market report or the next day's trade plan, we talk about short term, which means 1 to 3 days only, absolutely 1 to 3 days. And if you're talking about a long term, we are talking about uh, a week's time or 10 days time. So that is what is the long term for me. And especially when I am trying to do a video wherein I am posting a thumb like, Nifty 17,000, that is a long term, absolutely long term, which I am talking about 1 to 3 months. All right, so most of the time we will be talking about short term 1 to 3 days only, right? Because we are talking about the data that we get to see end of the day every day, and we don't use any indicators as such. We don't look at price action much. We will just take some cues from the price action, because somehow that is a fundamental thing for every intraday trader or a short term trader who trades into futures and options especially. So guys, I would want to re-emphasize that I will generally be focusing most of the time on index. It can be Bank Nifty or Nifty, right? So you have to choose and identify yourself as to what kind of trader you are, and know what is suitable for you. So in case you are trading on the Bank Nifty, even looking for a long side trade is also okay. But if you're looking at Nifty, looking at a long side trade, I mean, buying options, I don't really consider a very good idea. All right, so that is my thought, though. You can definitely be a master of your thought, and beyond anything and everything, planning is important in trading, not just knowing whether the market is going up or down, right? So here I will be giving you a heads up. I mean, I will not give you entries and exits at any point of time in my channel. You can make a very clear note of it. I can educate, I can tell you what to read, what not to read. In case you missed to watch my video on making 2% in every trade, please go back to my channel, and you will be able to see a video with a thumb says 2% in every trade. Right, I there again, I mean, I can just give you an education. I can not tell you the entries and exits, right? Please try to understand that part, that I am not time trying to selling you Telegram tip service. That I will definitely not do, even the down the lane, even if I have 1 lakh subscribers. Right, so let's look at the data now. I mean, let's not waste any more time. This is high time we look at the data. We are looking at the BAV copy, and this is Bank Nifty on the top. We see a lot of open interest being created in this month. And look at Nifty. Nifty lost open interest, so much of open interest, phenomenal number of open interest being reduced. So, do you think it is a very good sign? For me, it doesn't really look like a good sign, because losing open interest is a very, it's an alert for us, right? So let's look at what side this open interest is lost or created. Yeah. So now we are looking at participant wise open interest. I mean, this is an intraday data that will be shown by the major market participants. So we will definitely look at DIA, FIA, and Pro, because they are the people who has enough capital and established systems to drive the market, right? So this is future index longs, and this is future index shorts. So we sum it up, we get this number. We sum this up, we get this number. And if we subtract them, we get to understand that 18,758 contracts are on the long contracts are more than the short contracts. It is very simple. This many long contracts are more than the short contracts. I am sorry, today I have directly jumped to the participant wise OI instead of looking at first the volume. I would definitely want you, each one of us, to look at the volume information, and then try to understand what is the positional bet. Yesterday, I mean, on the last session, we discussed that shots are added, right? In the intraday. And what has happened today? Again, some more shots, 8K shots added. And if you have noticed in the market, there is not much of action that has taken place on the short side also, right? I mean, just a nominal fall kind of thing, right? This is not a major fall, definitely. So that is not really triggered in today also. And what has happened? Again, some shots are added. So what do we get to understand? Yeah, you able to understand it, right? I mean, I hope you are following this channel from quite some time, and you must be able to understand that yesterday also shots added, and today also shots added. That is definitely an alert. You should definitely look for a short side trade, as in you should look for shorting Nifty or shorting Bank Nifty. So that is what precisely the data tells us. But when taking entry, you should again look at the data. I told you, you can look at options chain, and you can also look at TX3 trading platform by Edelweiss. It is a free of cost platform that will give ample information to take entries and exits into FNO. All right, so it is an high alert for each one of my follower. Please beware of the shorts being created in the market in the previous session, in this session also, and in case it gaps up tomorrow, I would want you to stay focused with only one thing. So yeah, let's look at money control global indices. We get to understand some of the global cues. Nasdaq plus 0.75, SGX 0.19 in green. And look at all these European markets ended in red, and that shows the direction for us tomorrow, right? Yes, my friends, please give me a thumbs up and share it among your traders fraternity. And I hope we have already discussed the trade plan for tomorrow. That is looking for the short side of the trade. Be very cautious on the long side. I would request not to enter into the long side, how much ever you see convection. Right. So let's look at some of the stocks. We'll try to understand and identify a few stocks. One stock that has come to my mind is HDFC Life. So this stock has been hovering within a range. It's been a consolidation mode from quite some time. It's quite some time. It's been very good time. Maybe there might be a breakout very soon, but not visible on the cards yet. So shorting a far OTM call. I mean, lot of volume in the call side, and the price reduced by almost 50%. That means calls have been written. That is something that we can understand. So in the Glenmark counter is absolutely bullish. It's been in consolidation mode for over 1 year, and if I am not mistaken, this price of Glenmark should touch 1000 before it looks for any further movement, upside or downside. But I am betting on Glenmark for at least 1000. uh, target. Right. So HDFC Life, you can definitely consider short, as in, for OTM call short, to get that 2%. That is precisely what we target in short term, as in 4 to 5 trading sessions. You target that kind of amount, you will definitely end up winning in the market. But if you target 20, 30, 40% in a week's time, that would definitely not happen, and eventually you might as well lose. So that's a request to all my friends, followers, and well wishers. The trade plan for tomorrow is very clear, and there is also one stock that we identified to make 2% over 5 trading sessions. Maybe you can refer to the previous videos that I have mentioned, that SBIN, Reliance, Axis Bank. Yeah, these are the stocks that I've spoken about in previous videos, 1 or 2 videos, and I'm sure we must have definitely did 2% in 4 5 trading sessions. I hope you all are with me on this. I hope you are liking the content that we are posting in the channel. Please like the video, comment it, and in case you don't like the video, why not just mention your feeling in the comment box instead of just disliking. I get to understand, and everybody who is watching the video will also get to understand. Spread the knowledge, spread the joy. Stay peaceful, stay convicted. Thank you so much, each one of you. Have a great time. Bye bye.